Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. Today let us discuss exercise 5.5 of our class 10. So the very first question is find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist. So here in the question they did not mention which method to use. You can use either factorization method or completing the square method or quadratic formula method. So here I am choosing to use quadratic formula method because if the discriminant b square minus 4ac, if it is greater than 0, I can say the roots exist. They are firstly asking you to find if the roots exist. So I am going with the quadratic formula method and I will find the discriminant first. So if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, there are equal roots. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, there are no real roots. So this is what we have learnt already. And completing the square method I discussed very clearly in the earlier video. So please do watch that also. And here in this method I am going to use quadratic formula method. If in the examination they mention which method you have to use, you will have to choose that particular method only, otherwise you will lose marks. But here if a question like this is given to you where the method is not mentioned, you can use any of the three methods whichever you feel it is easy, right? So here the very first question is 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Comparing this with the general form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, what is the ABC value? A is 2, b is 1, x coefficient, c is minus 4. So let me find what is b square minus 4ac. So b square is 1 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is minus 4. So I get it as 1 plus minus into minus is plus. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 32. So my answer is 33. So b square minus 4ac is 33, which is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means I'll have 2. Therefore, I'll have 2 real and distinct roots. Okay, if discriminant is greater than 0, you'll have 2 real and distinct roots. Distinct means 2 different roots. Right. So let us find the roots now. Using quadratic formula method, it is minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So that is minus b is 1 plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac value you got it as 33. Substitute it directly, divided by 2 into a is 2. So that is minus 1 plus or minus root 33 divided by 4. Now therefore x value you can take it as minus 1 plus root 33 divided by 2 one time and also minus 1 minus root 33 by 2. So this divided by 4 you have here, isn't it? So these are the roots of the given equation. So firstly you found whether the roots exist or not. Since they exist, you found the roots. I hope this is clear. So let's proceed. Now before moving on to the next question, let me tell you there is a very special offer right now in Unacademy. So if you want to purchase any plus or iconic subscription, you are going to get additional discounts. So if you go for a 9-month subscription, if you want to just try it out and choose a 9-month subscription, you can do that. So you will get 10% plus 5% additional discount. And if you're going for a 1-year subscription, you'll get 10% plus 10% additional discount. So total you will be saving around 25,000 per year. So this offer starts from 18 September and it is valid for all the foundation courses and CBSE courses. And let me tell you, if you're aiming at competitive level examinations like your IIT, so please opt for foundation courses where you will get foundation for your IIT right from your earlier classes, and you can be a topper in your examinations since you are preparing it from very early, right? You'll be very earlier than your friends, and you can use the code DMM to get this discount, right? And let me tell you, if you're going for a plus subscription, these are the batches which you can join. You will have unlimited batches every month, every week you have new batches coming up. For example, these are the batches which started in the month of September. So you have MCQ batch, one shot batch, master batch, prime batch for all the subjects. And let me tell you the prices for this. The prices are, if you are going for a 1-year subscription, per month it is 1125. And again you will get a discount on this because you have additional 10% discount. So around 1000 you will get all the subjects, unlimited classes, unlimited test, and classes from the top educators. So don't forget to enroll and do share this information with all your friends because it's a limited period offer. You need to hurry up. I'll share the link of this page in the description box below. So you can open that page. You will find all the offers there in that page. So do check out all the options. And the code you are going to use for this offer is DMM. So applying this code DMM, you will get your discount. And these are my free classes. You can join my free classes also on Unacademy using the code DMM. So don't forget to enroll. All the links of the free classes, the previous recorded classes also I'll give you in the description box. So all the links are there in the description box. Links of the batches are also there in the description box. Do check out all the links and you can use the code DMM for the discount. So let's proceed, and it's a limited period offer, so hurry up. Now here is the second question. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Comparing it with the general form, your a is 4, b is x coefficient 4 root 3, c is constant 3. So let me take my b square minus 4ac, discriminant value. B square minus 4ac is nothing but 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 4 and c is 3. So you are getting it as 4 square is 16 into root 3 whole square is 3 minus 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 16 3s are 48. So this is also 16 3s are 48 minus 48. So my discriminant value I am getting is 0. If discriminant is 0, then the roots are, you have roots, they exist. So, and the roots are equal. They exist and they are equal. So let me find the value. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is quadratic formula. So minus b is 4 root 3 plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac is 0 divided by 2 into a is 4. So minus 4 root 3 divided by 8 I have. So 4 1 time, 4 2 times. So minus root 3 by 2 is the x value. So therefore x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Since I told you the roots are equal, so the two roots are same, minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. Let's move on to the third question now. 5x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. Here a is 5, b is x coefficient minus 7, c is minus 6 constant. So b square minus 4ac is again root over minus 7 whole square minus 4 into a is 5, c is minus 6. So that is equal to root over 49 minus, now minus into minus is plus, 4 5 is 20, 26 is 120. So how much are you getting here? Root, you get it as 120 plus 49 is 169. So it is 13 here. Okay, so it is 13 here. Now let me take it further. So since this is greater than 0, I can say therefore there are real roots and they are different roots. Okay, they are real and distinct. Now x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a, that is equal to minus b is minus 7 plus or minus root b square minus 4ac is 13 divided by 2 into a is how much? A is 5. So it is 7 plus or minus root 13 divided by 10. So this is the value you get. So 7 plus or minus root 13 divided by 10. Okay, so please check this question again. The answer given in your textbook is little different, I guess. So please do check it, and here a small plus or minus change will help you to get your answer. So you can use the same procedure to get the textbook answer where the sign is changed. Okay, if you take minus 6, if you take plus 6, you may get your answer, textbook answer. So A is 5, B is minus 7, C is minus 6. So minus 7 whole square is 49. I am taking B square minus 4 is C. Minus 7 whole square is 49. And see here 5 4s are 20 and 20 into 6 is 120. Okay, 20 into 6. So 6 2s are 12 and you have a 0. So it is 120. Now 120 plus 49. 120 plus 49 is 169. Root over 169 is 13. So minus b. B is 7. So 7 plus or minus root 13 divided by 2. 5s are 10. So this is the answer. So x value will be 7 plus root 13 divided by 10 and 7 minus root 13 divided by 10. So the caution is, please do check the textbook answer also for this question and try to change the value and get the answer. The procedure is the same. Now the next question is x square plus 5x equal to minus 6. So x square, let me take minus 6 to this side. So x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Now comparing it with the general form, a is 1, b is x coefficient 6 and c is 5. So what is b square minus 4ac value? 6 square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 5. So 36 minus 20. So you will get it as 16 greater than 0. So therefore the roots are real and equal. Sorry, they are real and distinct. Since it is greater than 0, the roots are different, real and different. So x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So that is minus b. b is 6, so minus b plus or minus root over b square is 6 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 5. So you don't have to actually calculate. You found the value, isn't it? Why are we calculating? B square minus 4ac is 16. You got the answer. Divided by 2 into a is 1. So minus 6 plus or minus root 16 is 4 divided by 2. Now x value will be minus 6 plus 4 divided by 2, or it can be minus 6 minus 4 divided by 2. One time you will take plus 4, one time minus 4. So that is minus 2 by 2. So minus 1 you can get, or minus 10 by 2. So minus 5 you will get. So x values are minus 1 and minus 5. So these are the roots. Now here the third question, only this question you will have to check once with the textbook answer, right? And the process is the same. So please do try it, and I hope the session is useful and interesting for you. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll meet you with the next question in the next video, and all the concepts I have explained very clearly. So you will find the quadratic equation playlist here. Do check it out, and thank you so much for watching. Do like the video, do comment and let me know if you need any more topics. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.